will ask and beg my leader to come and compare your leader to my sweetheart, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, and let me say what you're gonna say. It's not about you as a Muslim, it's about your leader. When you compare your leader, whether it's Muhammad, whether it's Buddha, whether it's Krishna, whether it's whoever it is, with all love and respect, I'm saying this, when you compare him to Jesus Christ, there is no comparison. Whether you accept him as a prophet, totally different, this prophet. Even in your book, he is totally different. He is the only prophet, according to your faith, my beloved Muslim, he is the only prophet that is referred to as the Word of God and the Spirit of God. No other prophet, no Moses, no Isaiah, no Ezekiel, none of the prophets ever was mentioned of that they are the Word of God, except Isa, except Isos. And by the way, like the Isa and the Quran is not the Jesus of the Bible, totally different, nothing to do, nothing.
Hi, my name is Professor David Costa, and I'm here today to introduce the University of Cambria.
Totally two different people. Sorry, like that's the truth. And if the truth hurts, I'm really sorry, but I'm not. So why? Question yourself. Why is this person, if he is a prophet only, why is he the only prophet out of the entire Old Testament prophets? Why is this prophet being referred to as the Word of God and the Spirit of God? How come the others didn't get this kind of a title? How come this prophet, the only prophet out of all, the only one who was born in a virginal birth, he has only earthly mother, no earthly father? These are questions you need to seek the answer to. But compare the life of Christ to the life of every other religious figure out there, with all love and respect. Christ, I can't compare him to none of them. And let me tell you this, with love, I love the Muslim, I love the Buddhist, I love the Hindus, I love all of you. But one day we are going to face this one true divine God, whether he rewards us or judge us, it is up to him. And I'm telling you, not because I have the cross around my neck, not because I have this outfit on me, not because I've read the Holy Bible, not because I am referred to as a Christian, but because I know Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Please, I know this man. I know this man. He took me to heaven. I didn't see Muhammad, I didn't see Buddha, I didn't see Krishna. It is Jesus. Why? Because he is the only true God who was revealed in the flesh over 2,000 years ago. He is the way to heaven. He is heaven. He is the rightful owner. He is God revealed in the flesh. Nothing to do with Christians, nothing to do with Muslims, nothing to do with Buddhists, atheists, you name it, nothing. It's got to do with the true divine. I'm not here to fight.